Hello dear students, welcome to my next class of integers. In this class we'll see one question, and under that question I have 6 questions we have to solve today. Let's start. The question is, find each of the following products. Products means we have to multiply these two numbers. We have to find the product of two numbers as well as product of three numbers. Okay, let's start one by one. This is first one question. Given is equal to 3 into minus 1 is given. First, student, we have to multiply the sign, then we have to multiply the numbers. Here the sign of 3 is plus. Keep in mind, if sign is not mentioned before the number or variable, the sign will be plus. Here sign is not mentioned, so sign is plus. This plus into minus is minus. I'll write here, this is very important. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into minus is also equal to plus. Then plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Keep in mind, student, this is important. Multiplication of same sign is plus and multiplication of different sign is minus. First, plus into minus is minus. 3 into 1 is 3. This is our answer, minus 3. Here minus 1 into plus 225. Sorry for the inconvenience. Minus into this plus sign will be minus. First we'll write the given. Minus 1 into 225. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 225 is 225. Keep in mind, 1 into anything is anything. When you multiply 1 with any value, the same value will remain. Or anything into 1 will be anything. When you multiply any value with 1, the same value will remain. This is our answer. Third question, student. First I will write the given is equal to minus 21 into minus 30. As I said, first we have to multiply the sign. Minus into minus will be plus. If plus sign is there, if you do not write, then also it is okay. But I am writing right now. Minus into minus is plus. 21 into 30, student. First see here, 21 into 0 is 0. 21 into 0 is 0. 21 into 3 is 63. 630 is our answer. How I got? I am showing you here. 30 into 21. I directly multiply the whole 21 number with these numbers. 21 into 0, 0. 21 3s are 63. When you multiply 21 with 3, you will get 63. So this is our answer, student. Next question, question number D. First I will write given, that is minus 316 into minus 1. First we have to multiply the sign. As I said, minus into minus will be plus, then minus into minus is plus, 316 into 1 is 316, students. Then question number E, we have to multiply the number with 0. First multiply the sign. Before 0 we have plus sign. Okay, 0 has no value. If we do not multiply the sign also, it is okay. Minus into minus is plus, then 15 into 0 is 0. 0 into 18 is also 0. So this is our answer. Keep in mind, 0 into anything will become 0 only. Keep in mind, 0 into anything is 0, student. When you multiply any value with 0, the answer will become 0. Here 3 numbers are there and into 0 is also there. When even if I multiply these two numbers, then I multiply with 0, it becomes 0. So I can write directly is equal to 0. Keep in mind, 0 into anything is 0. Now last question, student. Here we have 3 signs. The sign of 2 integer is negative and sign of third integer is positive. Minus into minus is plus, minus this minus into this minus is plus, then plus into plus, plus sign is here before 10. If sign is not mentioned, as I said, sign will be plus. Minus into minus is plus, then plus into plus is plus, student. So answer will be in plus. First I have to write the given. Minus 12 into minus 11 into plus 10. Now minus into minus is plus, then plus into this plus will be plus, student. Now we have to multiply these 3 numbers. Let's multiply. 12 into 11. 12 into 11. 11 twos are 22. I am multiplying directly with 11. 11 twos are 22. 2 here and the 2 will be here. 11 ones are 11 plus 2. It will be 13. So answer will be 132, student. Then I have to multiply this 132 with 10. 132 into 10 will be 1320. This is the answer, student. First we multiply 12 and 11. Then whatever result we got, that result we have to multiply with the another number, third number. 132 into 10, 1320. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. And homework is, each question you have to solve. Total we solved 6 questions. All 6 questions you have to solve 5 times. This is homework. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics.